Hey, this is Josh with Growlink, and in today's walkthrough we'll be going over how to set up a schedule for your HVAC control using a BACnet gateway. As a primer of information, BACnet gateways are what's used to control and send set points towards HVAC units inside your facility. This functionality is only available on environmental controllers such as cores, RevPis, Connect controllers, and IoT gateways. Once you have a BACnet gateway configured, you're able to set up schedules or other rules to call those points. In this example, we're going to set up a simple schedule. We'll start by selecting our controller. Once we're at our controller dashboard, we'll go to the rules page. Once we're in the rules page, we'll select our rule folder, the rule we want to make the rule in, and then we're going to create an HVAC schedule. So by clicking the Schedules tab, and then clicking Add Schedule, we'll make that schedule. We'll first start with a name, which we'll call an HVAC rule. We'll keep the schedule type static so that it happens at the same time every day. For the devices, if you've already had your BACnet gateway configured, you'll be able to select them as devices. In this case, we have a cooling set point, a heating set point, and a fan speed. Next, we're going to select the days of the week we want this schedule to run. Ideally, we want this to run 24/7. So for the days of the week, we're going to select every day.
Good.
Next, we're going to select a start time and end time for this rule. You could either have a daytime window with daytime set points and then a nighttime window with nighttime set points. In this case, we're just going to have a 24/7 schedule. So we're going to have this run from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Next, we'll set the values that we want to send towards the configured HVAC unit. In this case, we'll send a cooling set point of 80 degrees. We'll send a heating set point of 75 degrees.
Good.
And then for fan speed, some points have the ability to have different values associated to them, and we can set up a drop-down for the values you'd want to consider for them. For fan speed, you normally have a low speed, a medium speed, and a high speed. In this case, we're going to choose medium. Now that we have these points configured, all we have to do is add this schedule, and then update the controller. Once the controller finishes taking this config update, it'll start sending those values towards the HVAC unit, and then they'll start adhering to the values we're sending. This concludes how to set up a schedule to control your HVAC units within Growlink Portal 2.0.